I see you're watching some fake guru videos. It's fun to watch these clowns exposed for the frauds they are. Almost addictive, if you want to know the truth. Trouble is, those videos are not going to help you to get more clients, or make more money, or build a business that serves your lifestyle and feeds your family and makes you proud of what you've built. But here's what will. It's called the Experts Client Getting Manifesto. And I'm going to give you a free lesson right here in this video. The subtitle is How to Build a Lucrative 7-Figure Coaching, Consulting, Advisory, or Agency Business in the Digital Age. And let me start by asking you a question. What if there was a way to attract high-paying clients into your business? Clients who respected your expertise, who took your advice, who didn't suck up much of your time. And you could attract these clients without ever picking up the phone and cold calling, without spamming anyone, without begging for referrals, or any of the manual labor prospecting for business that stopped working in the 90s. Well, here's the good news. There are just 5 things you need to do to make this happen. 5 strategic points of leverage that you can build into your business that will allow you to get and serve all the clients you could ever want. And in this age of AI and machine learning and mega computing and powerful software, all operating in the cloud, most of it can be automated and working for you 24/7. So it doesn't matter where you are. It doesn't matter where your clients are either. So what are these 5 points of leverage? Well, number 1 is your offer. The thing you exchange for a client's money. You've got to stop selling your time and start selling your expertise. And there is a difference. Your time is finite. Only so many hours in the day. But in this report, I'm going to show you how to create offers that use machines to deliver your expertise, which means you can slash the amount of time you actually spend with a client. So you can have an almost infinite number of them. The second point of leverage is lead generation. Again, in the modern age, it's a process of automation. It's crafting powerful messaging and then amplifying it 100-fold as pre-recorded lead-generating presentations that can be broadcast over the internet. While your competitors are cold calling and cold emailing and traipsing from one end of the country to the other to give elevator speeches, you can be blanketing the entire marketplace and skimming the cream off the top before they even get their boots on. Of course, you've got to be selective about who you target with that messaging, which brings us to the third point of income leverage, which is traffic. You've got to advertise. And I'm going to give you 2 magic words for this. Are you ready? Most people blow their brains out on ads. They spend boatloads of money with nothing to show because they don't understand the significance of these 2 words. And the 2 magic words are and or. And or. Let me explain. You're watching this video because you were watching fake guru videos. And you're likely between the ages of 35 and 65. And in the top 30% of income earners in the United States. And you visited a web page that had something to do with marketing or lead generation. And you also visited web pages that had something to do with coaching or consulting or agency services or advisory in the last several weeks. Social media networks like YouTube and Facebook are collecting enormous amounts of data about all of us. And you can use that data to broadcast your automated lead generating presentations only to people who find them relevant and interesting and are likely to need your services. The fourth point of leverage is conversion. We're talking about a funnel here. Ads convert suspects into prospects. Lead generating presentations convert prospects into warm leads. And discovery calls convert warm leads into paying clients. It's a systematic, predictable, automated, scalable, and incredibly profitable process. Which brings us to the 5th and final point of leverage I teach you in this report. If even 2% of the people who enter the funnel turn into clients within the first couple of weeks, and they do, you can get seriously rich. But what about the other 98%? You've got to follow up, but not in the annoying, time-consuming, counterproductive way a salesperson would. Again, automate it, using machines, tirelessly broadcasting interesting, relevant, educational and entertaining pre-written emails to people who asked to receive them. Sooner or later, they're coming to Jesus, hopping on a call with you and enrolling in your program. These 5 points of leverage feed on each other, and everything changes in your business. You no longer struggle to find good clients. They find you. No more feast or famine, roller coaster cash flow. It's a perpetual flow. No more hopping on planes and crisscrossing the country. Sales and service are virtualized. And no more hustle. It's a scalable and saleable business that doesn't need you to function. It just needs you to guide it along. On the other hand, get just 1 or 2 of these wrong, and the whole thing is out of alignment. If you're not solving a big enough problem, as example, or spending too much time solving it, or failing to articulate the value of solving it, and solving it in a unique and superior way, then no amount of traffic, no amount of lead gen, no amount of follow-up will save you. So I get it. You're thinking, all of that sounds great in theory, but how do I actually get it going in my business? And here's what I've got for you. Just hit the link to the lower left of this video, or there may be a Learn More button below, and we'll shoot this report over to you. I'm also doing a companion online workshop where you can get access to a Science of Client Getting advisor who will answer your questions and help you to put together a customized implementation plan for building these 5 points of income leverage into your business.